some
I was about to compliment you, actually.
Oh.
Go ahead.
No, I'm gonna push it now.
Come on, man. Dang.
Okay. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the D.Chanel and Klein show. So today we are going to be making butternut squash and apple burger. I can't talk. Apple. Today we are going to be making butternut squash and apple burger.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So for this you're gonna need your buns, apples, wild rice, shallots.
Today I'm gonna need my buns. Shallots.
I
call it shallots. I don't know.
Me either. Butternut squash, your oil, your thyme, pumpkin seeds, unsalted, and your salt.
Why would we get unsalted if we got salt? Does that make sense? Shouldn't we just got salted and then take away the salt? Like, wouldn't that be the same thing?
Put it down on the table. That's just, I guess they don't want too much salt.
That's why I said take away that salt.
Because they want all this to be maybe salt too.
But then it's...
Then that'd be too.
Alright.
So first, you want to actually preheat your oven to 400. Okay, once you do that.
You sound like me, 400.
400.
Alright. Gangsta.
Line your pan with parchment paper. Like this. Sprinkle this on here.
Sprinkle that thing.
Nice and cute.
Smell like a cantaloupe.
Yeah. And then you're going to sprinkle half of the salt on there. I'm going to try without pouring the whole thing.
Are you going to get this over here and then stop? Yeah, you got that time.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit more, because I took your half. That should be straight. I heard
Alright.
2 drops and said that's straight.
Okay. Alright, then you're going to put it in the oven for 15 minutes.
See you in 15.
Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm just gonna move these around a little bit.
Alright, so they hard.
Then we gotta go back in there. So next you're gonna put in that.
Look at them hunching. They hunching.
So a few of them in there trying to get it going on. Okay. Alright, so now you're going to put it in there for 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to do 20 minutes first and then check on them and then an additional 10 minutes if it needs it. So put it back into the oven.
So after the 20 minutes, Miss D.Chanel checked on it and saw that it needed to have additional cook time, right?
Yeah.
Popped it in for another 5 minutes. Let it set for
15
minutes. So now we're done with the cooling stage. So what's next, Miss D.Chanel?
We're going to add this into the food processor along with the thyme. You're going to grind that up and then you're going to add the rice and the pumpkin seeds and grind that up.
I'm excited. That's right.
Follow me. all mixed up. Now we're gonna put it into a bowl. All right. It's the mixture. Shape it into patty.
That look good. That thing look good, I ain't gonna lie. That thing look good. And then you do stuff so perfect. I'll gonna let you go.
I am doing it.
Because mine's gonna come out looking like, huh? You're gonna be like, what the hell is that? You should have kept that in the bowl.
I think you're doing a good job.
Look, man, yours looks so good, bruh. Man, show the world how wonderful you do. Like, you be doing your thing, man, for real. There you go. That thing looks so perfect, bro. That is crazy. Alright, world, so D.Chanel just whipped up these perfect circle patties, man. That thing looks so perfect and good. So now we got our second pan on. We finna start doing these buns. You know what I'm saying? And then we gonna be right back. You got them buns? Mm-hmm. You got them buns?
Mm-hmm.
Which buns you got?
Both.
That's what I'm talking about.
You're gonna toast your buns.
But I don't want to mess up your perfect, you know what I'm saying?
You scooped up, honey. You got it.
You trust me with your...
Yeah. Slap them bad babies on there.
So it's like this?
Yeah.
Or like this? Okay.
Up and down.
Up and down we go. Like a seesaw.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know what these look like? What's them things? Croquettes.
You always say that about these. Every time we make little burger things.
I do.
You say the same thing. You're doing a good job.
I am. You like it? It look good. Appreciate you.
Good.
Real good. A little bit more. I'm gonna
Are you
give
gonna
you
get the
one
sides?
more flip.
Like let it chill on the sides.
What?
You know, like stand them up. You don't do that?
You don't even do that.
I do. I like standing up and like rolling over.
You for real?
Mm-hmm.
I'll be back, bro.
Use the George Foreman grill. Smash some bad babies down. That's what it cook. Like that.
Like that? How fast is that?
Like that.
You gonna put it down on? Alright.
Finished result.
That thing looks so fire, boy. Now I'm a sauce guy. Know what I'm saying? Now if you want to get you some sauce too, I don't know, but I'm a sauce guy. So with that being said, I gotta add me a little barbecue sauce. Know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Since we can't have, you know, mayo, ketchup, and you know all that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just throw some Good barbecue sauce on here. Oh yeah. Know what I'm saying? Now if you want some,
you let me know how yours tastes.
okay. Say less.
Yeah.
Say less. Y'all. So with that being said,
I want to do it.
so with that being said, let's go ahead and try this thing, man.
Alright.
Oh my jeez.
Bon appetit.
You heard me. Let's see.
How do I do it?
It's not bad.
It's good with the sauce.
It is good with the sauce. How does it taste without the sauce? Your opinion.
Like thyme.
Like thyme?
Italian. That's literally all I taste. It's like I'm eating spaghetti sauce or something.
I kind of agree. But it's not bad though. I like it. On a scale from 1 to 10, I give this a good strong 7 to 7.5. A 7. I give this a 7. It's good. I like it.
Okay.
I can eat it again. What about you?
I probably won't.
What's wrong with it?
You on your own.
What's wrong with it?
Not my cup of tea.
Try it with cherry tomato. No. Try a sandwich with it. Go ahead. And sauce. Dip it. Go ahead and dip that thing. Now wait a minute. Let that digest. Grab you a tomato. Pop that. Yeah, know what I'm saying? No, eat. Come on, bro. Eat it with the burger. And tell me what you think. But with that being said, y'all, just gonna wrap up the segment of the burger. I feel like it's a 7. D.Chanel think it's like a what?
2.
A 2. She think it's a 2. I think it's pretty good, especially for an alkaline meal. This is pretty good, man. So with that being said, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video, and jump in that comment section, because we back with another banger. We're gonna keep coming back with more bangers, you hear me? Stay tuned for the next episode. We out.